Lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. You guys, today is going to be one of the most productive day in my life. Like, you guys, I have different things to do today. Right now I'm all dressed up on my way to go out. The tablet I got is actually working fine, but the SIM card carrier is not working. So I want to take it back to where I got it so they can help me insert the SIM card. Then after that, I want to get a card reader that I can actually put in the tablet and insert my memory card and get my footage from my camera. And I also have a yarn order coming to be delivered to me today. All of this stuff I'm going to take you guys along. It's going to be productive and the waka waka will be plenty. My sunscreen is checked out and I'm all dressed up to go out. And this is the outfit of the day. Let me show you guys. I'm wearing this native attire with my tote bag. You guys, I'm enjoying this tote bag and I'm going to make another color. My tablet is actually in there and every other thing I need. So guys, I came on here to show you guys the makeup item I got. I've not been able to haul. So this is 𝖸Say foundation. This is 𝖸Say foundation with SPF 30, which I love so much. And this is in color 30 bronze. This is the one that fits my skin and I really like it. Although I've not worn it out, but I like the vibe it's giving me. And I got their concealer that is called Second Skin, and this is in color coffee. That's what this one is. And I also got their nude lipstick. It is written, they wrote it lip talk here. I just like how it is, so I got it. And anytime I'm trying them on, I don't think I'm telling you guys, I'm not. Anytime you see my face nice, just know it's because I'm not a beauty. My channel is not about beauty. So I got their powder today, 𝖸Say powder. Prosper is always breaking my powder, and this one they said it's studio finish high definition matte press powder, and I like anything matte because I have oily skin. So, and this is in color dark cocoa. This is dark cocoa. So let me just show you guys what this one looks like, because I know I'm able to you guys can be able to see this one other than those other ones. So this is what it looks like. It's quite nice. The packaging is okay, and this is the powder. That's the color. So I got this brow gel by Blossom. Yes, this is Blossom makeup. I got this brow gel, and this brow gel is 2-in-1. I and my friend, we got this stuff together. See, you can see 2-in-1. So guys, I just collected this stuff for you guys. This is my crochet vlog. Anytime I want to get like foreign yarns, bag accessory, generally things I cannot just get my local craft store. I get it from at Farid Crochet Corner. It's actually complete, and she gave me a gift, you guys. I'm so happy. She gave me a gift. Wow. Farid Crochet Corner, think crochet, think us. Wow. I'm going to call her to tell her thank you for the gifts. It's actually the second time somebody is gifting me something as a crochet artist, and this one is cute. Maybe I'll use it to be drawing some of my sketches. So guys, I got this elastic band for making scrunchies. I got this, she called it tassel. You know what this is now? For bag. And I got this ring for bag as well, and this lock stuff. So she convinced me that this paracord will be enough for a medium-sized bag and will even remain. Just one hank will be enough, and I'm believing her, and I know it's going to work. So I'm going to be using this to make the bag, and I'm going to carry you guys along for that one since I've started the show with you guys, so you follow me. So this is my unboxing item. So this is my gift. Wow, cute. Let me call her and tell her thank you guys. Like, that's nice. My souvenir. Nice. Nice. Hello, sis.
Hello.
Ma, I just collected it though. I saw the gift. Thank you.
Alright, you're welcome. Thank you, ma.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
That is all for this unboxing. That's why I'm sleepy. I want to go and see if I can edit some of my YouTube videos. Hopefully this one, not this one, the one before this one, and see if I can post it. Creative block is not even your friend as a content creator. Like, creative block is not your friend, but I'm going to go through Sha. So guys, welcome back. I just took Prosper to school and he's actually beginning to like adjust to school and love staying in school as well. So I just took him to school and I decided to get myself some akara. I'm going to eat it with bread, and after that I'll continue with this my bag project. The paracord is actually coming out nice. Like, this one now is just a little quantity remaining, and see how far it has gotten me. So I'm going to continue with that bag when I'm done eating. And
losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need.
So guys, welcome back. So in the last clip I actually showed you guys how far I've gone with that paracord bag. I was in yesterday, we came to the village yesterday because there's something we ought to deliver to my mother-in-law's sister. So we came to the village, and I came along with my project. The paracord bag, I came along with it. So I want to see how far I'll be able to work on it today, because I couldn't crochet while I was traveling because I was feeling, you know, that sickness that you feel. And I don't know, some persons feel sick when the smoke or the fuel smell, that sensation. That's how I was feeling yesterday. So I could not even vlog, I could not even crochet. I was just looking for how to get myself there yesterday. And something I want to say again, I don't just understand, like, creative block is not even giving me a chance. Let me reduce this stuff a little. So this is better. So creative block is not even it's not even my friend. Like, it's not my friend at all. Like, sometimes I just think of what to do, topics to do, and sometimes once I think of it, something in my brain will be like, this is not good, it will not click, people will not like to watch it. So that's why sometimes you see me, or I'm using myself as a contact to other content creators, you see us asking for video ideas. It's just so we know what to put out that you people will watch. It's just so we know how you will feel and what you want to see in our channel. So I'm still using this opportunity to ask you guys for video ideas, what you will want to see in my channel, so that I can know what kind of content I will be bringing up, because most times my brain is blank. I don't even know what to put up, because I feel like I'm actually putting out all the videos I have in my head. So a little video idea and information would help. So guys, I got a new face wash. This is still simple too, but the one I was using before was moisturizing face wash, and this one I got to where I used to buy my skincare product and my local beauty supply store. They don't have the simple moisturizing wash, so I got the micellar facial gel wash, and I'm loving it ever since. It's a little bit drying. I'm not really moisturizing, but all set and good to go to Aba right now. So we're finished preparing and I'm all set to go to Aba. You guys, check out the little makeup I did on myself. Feeling myself.